Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in our previous video we have discussed the lecture part about Tower of Hanoi. So in this video we are going to cover the C code for our Tower of Hanoi problem. So I have already written the C code for you in the GDB online C compiler. So without any delay, let's begin. So I'm going to explain line by line. So first we're going to see our first line. So this is a hashtag include stdio.h. So this header file allows us to use printf functions and scanf function. So without this header file, we can't print the output onto the screen. So we have this big function. So don't get worried. Don't it will be easy. It won't be difficult. Let me explain. So void Tower of Hanoi. So this is our function Tower of Hanoi. So we have declared some parameters. So first we have declared int n and character source and character auxiliary and character destination. So this n represents the number of disks. So suppose it can be 3 disks, it can be 4 disks, it can be 5 disks also. So on the next parameter we have character source. Source means the starting rod. So and the auxiliary means character auxiliary means the helper rod. So the cat destination means this is the destination, means it is the final rod where the all 3 disks should be reached. So on the next line we have if the condition if n equal to 1. So this is the base condition. It means only one disk is left. So when only one disk exists, the problem becomes very easy. So if there is only one disk means we don't need to arrange, we can simply change it from source disk to the destination disk. So it will be easy. So on the next line we have something printf in something have printf function in the printf function. So we are printing move disk 1 from percentile c to percentile c with slash n. So what is this means? So we are printing the move. Example, we are moving disk 1 from A to C. So that's why we are declared source and destination. So we are returning the value. Stop the function and go back. So this prevents the infinite recursion. So now the important part becomes now on. So we have declared the function in the same function. We have declared the Tower of Hanoi function, the Tower of Hanoi, where we are going to give the concept of recursion. So Tower of Hanoi of n minus 1 of source and destination and auxiliary. So we have moved to the top n minus 1 disk from source rod to the auxiliary rod. So example, if there are 3 disks, so first we are going to move the first move to second disk from A to B and then function call itself again. So this is recursion. So on the next line we are printing the statement. We are printing the move disk from percentile D from percentile C to percentile C with slash n. So percentile D means n and percentile C means source and percentile C means here destination. So again we are declaring the Tower of Hanoi. So recursion we are using again. So according to this printf function it means, so now we are moving the larger disk. So suppose, let me give an example. Suppose we are moving the disk 3 from A to C. So this is disk 3 means it is the largest. So disk 1 is the small and disk 2 is the second smallest and disk 3 is the largest among the 3. So this is the meaning of this printf function. So now we are moving to the Tower of Hanoi. Again we are using recursion here. So we are declaring now n minus 1 here auxiliary and source and destination. So again the function is called itself. So we are moving, suppose the example, moving the disk 2 from B to C. So this is all about the Tower of Hanoi. We have called the Tower of Hanoi 2 times here. So this entire C code is depends upon recursion. So we are completed with this Tower of Hanoi function. Now we are moving to the main function. So this main function, we know that this main function starts the execution from here. So initially the int n means the number of disks in this Tower of Hanoi problem is equal to 3, and we have number of disks are A, B, C. So A is our source and B is a auxiliary, means helping rod, and C is our destination rod. So finally we have written the 0. I hope I explained everything clear about the Tower of Hanoi. Let me run this code. So we have three disks. So first we are moving the disk 1 from A to C, and second we are moving disk 2 from A to B, and like that up to so on. The final disk 1 we are moving to A to C. So source dot to the destination dot. So you can check it out to the manually also. Suppose we here declared three disks. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. Instead of 3, suppose let me give 4 here. So let me run this code. See, we have got many steps. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So totally we got 15 steps. So using these 15 steps, we can change the rod's position. I mean, changing the disk position from source to the destination rod. So this is all about the Tower of Hanoi. I hope this lecture is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next lecture.